Hi, my name is Jean Mervilus, and welcome to my website. I'm thrilled you're here. Let me take a moment to introduce myself and share how I can support you. I'm a passionate professional with years of experience in tax services, insurance, and immigration. I specialize in helping individuals, families, and businesses navigate these complex systems with confidence and clarity. Whether you're looking to maximize your tax returns, secure the right insurance coverage, or handle your immigration needs, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Through my services, I aim to provide personalized solutions that fit your unique situation. Here's what I offer: tax preparation and planning, simplifying the process and helping you make smart financial decisions; insurance guidance, protecting what matters most, whether it's your family, home, or business; immigration assistance, helping you achieve your dreams with expert advice on applications and paperwork. With a deep understanding of these areas, my goal is to take the stress off your plate and ensure you get the best possible outcomes.